Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about a book that teaches you the power of silence. In this noisy world, the name of the book is The Power of Silence. The author is Juliana O. Friends, in today's world, everyone is talking. Social media is talking. People are talking. News is talking. Even our own mind keeps talking constantly. But have you ever thought, if we pause for a moment, if we become a little calm, how much our life could change? So let's understand this book chapter by chapter, as if I'm sitting with you and speaking from the heart. Chapter 1: The Noisy World and the Lost Mind. Friends, the author begins with a very deep truth. We have become so addicted to noise that we are now afraid of silence. Whenever we are alone, we immediately pick up our phone. Why? Because we are afraid of our own thoughts. This chapter explains that constant external noise steals our inner peace. We listen to everyone else's voice, but we fail to hear the voice of our own soul. Silence introduces us to ourselves. And honestly, friends, meeting yourself is the greatest journey of all. Chapter 2: Not loneliness, but solitude. Friends, loneliness and solitude are two different things. Loneliness brings pain, but solitude gives strength. Loneliness happens when we feel no one is with us, but solitude happens when we are happy with ourselves. The author says, the person who can sit with themselves achieves true freedom. In solitude, we meet our fears, our dreams, and our weaknesses. And that is where real growth begins. Chapter 3: Listening to the Voice of the Mind. Friends, we think so much throughout the day that we don't even realize which thoughts are truly ours and which belong to society. By sitting in silence, we can recognize our real thoughts. The author says, when you stay quiet for some time every day, your mind starts becoming clear. Just like dirty water settles and becomes clear, a calm mind also gains clarity. Chapter 4: Not reaction, but a pause before reaction. Friends, half of our life's problems come from impulsive reactions. If we pause for just 10 seconds before responding, our life can change. Silence teaches us that not everything needs an immediate reply. Sometimes, staying quiet is the most powerful answer. Chapter 5: The Power of Self-Reflection. The author suggests spending 15 to 20 minutes every day reflecting on your day. What did you do well today? Where did you make a mistake? What are you grateful for? Friends, the person who evaluates themselves is the one who moves forward. Chapter 6: Nature and Silence. Watch the sunrise sometime without your phone. Sit among trees and just listen to the sound of the wind. There is silence in nature, yet that silence speaks. The author says, spending time in nature is like resetting your soul. Chapter 7: Digital Detox. Friends, the biggest noise today is inside our phones. Notifications, messages, reels. If you stay away from your phone for just 1 hour daily, your mind will feel lighter. Silence means turning off unnecessary noise. Chapter 8: Confidence through Silence. Often, people who speak less carry more weight in their words. Why? Because they think before they speak. Silence makes you stable, and a stable person cannot be shaken easily. Chapter 9: The Role of Silence in Relationships. It's not necessary to win every argument. Sometimes, by staying quiet, relationships are saved. Silence does not mean weakness. It means maturity. Chapter 10: The Journey to Inner Peace. In the final chapter, the author says, peace will not be found outside. Not in money, not in people, not in achievements. It will be found when you are comfortable with yourself. When you are not afraid of your own thoughts. When you can remain calm even in a crowd. Friends, silence is not weakness. It is the strength of the soul. If you want peace, clarity, confidence, and mental strength in life, then take out some time for yourself every day. Turn off your phone. Turn off the noise. And listen to yourself. Remember, the one who can hear themselves is never disturbed by the noise of the world. Friends, if you like this summary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your love is my strength. See you in the next inspiring book. Until then, stay calm, stay strong, and stay connected with yourself.